Hey everyone, there are a few pocket photo printers on the market, but I found one that's super easy to use. And today I'm partnering with Nelko to showcase their mini color instant inkjet pocket photo printer for a Mother's Day memory collage. This little Nelko printer makes the cutest sticker photos right from your phone. Just click in the ink cartridge, add the photo paper in the back, download the Nelko app, and you're ready to start printing. The ink cartridge just snaps right into place. Make sure that you take off all the tape and the packaging beforehand. Once the ink is in, flip it over and load the sticker photo paper. There's an arrow so you can see how to position it. Now just head over to the App Store and download the Nelko app on your phone. Open it up and you're ready to go. I'm printing a ton of photos of my mom and me throughout the years for this project. This is something personal that your mom will absolutely love. Now, I lost my mom a few years ago, so I'm making this collage to honor her for Mother's Day. But you can make this photo collage for your mom and she will absolutely love it. I know it. It's personal, it'll take her down memory lane, and it will remind her that you're her favorite child, even if your siblings think they are. Look at how easy it is to print sticker photos. Once I have enough for my collage, I'm going to take apart a big thrift store frame. I got this for half price, 12 bucks, not bad. I'm also using some inexpensive poster board from the dollar store. This project doesn't have to cost a lot of money, but I promise it's going to look like $1,000,000. I'm covering the original art with the white poster board using double stick tape. Cut out craft paper the size of your canvas and cut your heart shape to size. Trace the heart out in red poster board. You don't have to use the poster board, but I just like the way it looks, and it's a good guideline for your collage. Center the heart on your canvas and arrange your photos to cover it. Take a photo of your arrangement and print it out so you can follow along with it. Use more double stick tape to secure the heart and start applying your sticker photos. I really enjoyed making this and thinking about all the wonderful times I spent with my mom, and your mom is going to feel the exact same way when she sees this gift. Make sure to print out and add a sentiment at the bottom. A simple Happy Mother's Day would be perfect. Now all you have to do is put the frame back together, add some more craft paper to cover the back, and you've got the most amazing Mother's Day gift courtesy of your Nelko Pocket Inkjet printer. Let me know what you think in the comments. I'll make sure to leave a link to Nelko so you can grab one of these little pocket printers yourself. They're fun to take to a party. Why not give one to your mom with this beautiful Mother's Day photo collage? I'm going to leave a link to everything I used for this project in the description below. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment, and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and don't forget to press that notification bell so that you know I have a new video. If you want inspiration that I don't share anywhere else, follow me on Patreon. And if you want even more inspiration, grab one of my craft books. I think you'll like the Big Ass Book of Crafts Volume 2, and I'll see you real soon. Bye, everybody.